In this video, we're going to talk about how to find the nth term of an expansion of a bracket using binomial expansion. So if you're going to be using binomial expansion, there's a formula I want you to have in mind. So the formula is n combination r, and then a to the power of n minus r, and then b to the power of r. So to get our respective values for this formula, we need to compare the given bracket from our question to a plus b to the power of n. Okay, so if you compare this bracket and this bracket, this would mean that a will be equal to 1, and then b will be equal to x, and then n will be equal to 15. Okay, so if you take a look at this formula here, we've now gotten our value of r. So to get our value of r, we use c equal to n r plus 1. Okay, so the c is the term that we're looking for. So if you're looking for the 11th term, c here will be 11th. If you're looking for the 9th term, c here will be 9. But in this case, we're looking for the 10th term, so c here is equal to 10. So this is equal to r plus 1. And then this implies that r is equal to 10 minus 1, which is equal to 9. Okay, so we now know that our value of r is 9. So let me quickly clean it here up. If we plug our values into this formula, we should have 15 combination 9 to the power of 1 to the power of 15 minus 9. Okay, and then we have x to the power of 9. Okay, so 15 combination 9 is 15 factorial. Okay, so divided by 15 minus 9, and then there's a factorial here, and then 9 factorial. So this is a combination. This is combination when you expand. Okay, so this is 1 to the power of 6, 1 to the power of 6, and then x to the power of 9. Okay, so we know that if we were to do this with the calculator, we'd have 5005, and then 1 to the power of 6 is still 1, so times 1, then x to the power of 9 is x to the power of 9. So this is expanded to become equal to 5005 x to the power of 9. Okay, so this simply means that the 10th term of expansion of this bracket here would yield 5005 to x to the power of 9. So let's quickly take another example for you to understand better. So for a second example, you can pause the video and try this one out yourself. Okay, so like we did before, we would liken this to this bracket, a plus b to the power of n. Okay, so this means that our value of a is equal to 2, then our value of b is equal to minus x over 3, then our value of n is equal to 12. But remember, the formula we're using is n combination, n to the power of a n minus r, b to the power of r. Okay, so we don't know our value of r. So for our value of r, we have c is equal to r plus 1. Okay, so the c is the nth term, or the term we are looking for. So in this case, the c is 8, because we're looking for the 8th term of this expansion. So 8 is equal to r plus 1. This implies that r is equal to 8 minus 1, which is equal to 7. Okay, so this is equal to, now we've gotten that all our values down, we just plug them into this formula. So this is equal to 12 combination 7, and then a is 2 to the power of 12 minus 7. okay, and then b is minus x over 3 to the power of 7, okay. So this implies that 12 combination 7 can be written as 12 factorial divided by 12 minus 7 factorial, and then 7 factorial. Then this 12 minus 7 here is 2 to the power of 5, and then we have minus x over 7 here, then to the power of 7. Oh, this is congested here, so let me clean up this and have space. So if we simplify these terms here, this should be equal to 12 factorial divided by 5 factorial times 7 factorial. Now 2 raised to the power of 5 is 32, so we have times 32, so divided by, then we have times minus x to the power of 7, okay, and then we have divided by 3 to the power of 7, okay. So this is equal to 12 factorial, okay, divided by 5 factorial, 7 factorial, okay, times 32, okay, divided by, your negative from here could go out, so this would be negative here, okay. So divided by 3 to the power of 7, and then times x to the power of 7 here, okay. So if we were to simplify this with a calculator, you'd have a value that is equal to 2816 divided by 2403, and then x to the power of 7, okay. So there's a negative here, so this is a negative. So this simply means that the eighth term of this expansion, if we have to expand this term, the eighth term will be minus 2816 over 243 x to the power of 7, okay. So if you like this video, leave a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. It helps. Thanks for watching.